So this is how we patch the turtle. Take a piece of tissue paper. Oh, it's got to be completely wet, because where it's not wet, it'll never stick. You use perm paper. This is how we built him. There's a place that was small. Oh, you've probably found places that are small. So you take some glue and you take water, and it's better if the glue has not been previously solidified. But you can't always
Have a perfect world.
That's right. This world is an imperfect place. I'm gonna put a little water in it. Okay. Oh, sorry.
No, where did I see that big rip? There's a big rip. Oh, there it is.
We've always done this inside before. Perhaps there's a method to that madness.
Yes, a reason for. Today's Mira. Is it open?
No, it's Thursdays.
Oh, Thursdays.
What's today?
Wednesday.
Okay.
No. Yeah.
It's not very
Wednesday.
good when it folds, is it?
I know. Sorry.
Doesn't do what it's supposed to
the
do.
wind.
I'm not complaining about you.
The wind.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
So I'll turn him around, shall I?
Oh, so that's the door there.
Yeah.
That.
Yeah, there's two doors, I guess. Oh, it ripped.
It sticks to my thumb. It doesn't stay very well for very long, does it? If you don't use it, you lose it.
Well, if it's glue, it should... The glue...
No, I'm talking about like when you're holding it in your hand. If you don't use it right away, it'll just break in your hand.
Oh, I see what you mean.
Bring this down here.
Okay.